Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Veikk A50 tablet, and now I can show you how to factory reset all settings. So it's very easy to do, because here we have no settings inside the device. We have no processor or operative system inside. So all we have is the signals of buttons and pen, and only our computer computes these signals. And it means that it's very easy to restore all defaults. So basically, one way to restore all default is to uninstall the Veikk Pen tablet driver from your device. To do it, you just need to open settings, open apps, and find here. Maybe I can't draw normally, so I'll try to do it using normal keyboard. Window driver package Veikk WinUSB. So click on install, and this way you will install it, and you can install it again using the web browser, or you can open this driver and click restore defaults on the pen settings, on the mapping settings, functions. You can restore default functions, and touches. You can restore touches too. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.